I'm Charlene Campbell, and as part of Expedia's Travel Yourself Interesting campaign, we're joined live via Skype with Delphine Bauer from Paris to find out a bit about her hometown. Delphine, working as a journalist in Paris, you must get the opportunity to visit lots of fun new places, interview interesting people, and go to some great events. Where would you say is the latest up-and-coming area to hang out?
I would say that's the best area to go out right now in the 18th arrondissement. Traditionally, it's a popular area, but it's changing a lot right now. There is a new generation of bartenders coming and opening new coffees and new restaurants in the area, so it's really lively.
Great.
My favorite one is Les Populettes, which is a vintage bar, Rue Riquet, and you can enjoy some very French and good wine and just small food, very homemade food for a very reasonable price. So it's a very nice place to go, definitely.
Paris has some of the world's best cafes. Where's your favourite place to grab a coffee?
It's difficult to choose, but I would tell you two addresses I like very much. The first one is in the 18th arrondissement, as I was telling you.
Yeah.
It's called Le Café Lomi, and it's a very luminous and roomy place. You can find every kind of coffees from all over the world, like from Africa, from
Wow.
South America, from any kind of countries. So you can test different kind of coffees and just enjoy your time spending here. And then another place which is very famous is, of course, Le Café de Flore in Saint-Germain-des-Prés. I think that it's a must in Paris. You have to go there even at once just to tell you that you've done it. It's a very mythical place because a few decades ago, all the French intelligentsia were spending hours to discuss philosophy, news and literature. So just enjoy the coffee over there.
And many people visit Paris solely for the food and drink. As a local, where's your favourite restaurant in the city?
I think I have to recommend you some French restaurants. And one of my favorite one is in the 11th arrondissement. It's called Les Petites Indécises. It's a nice place. You can get French food, but cooked with some original way. It's reasonable according to the price, so you can really enjoy and having a nice evening and just having great food.
Brilliant.
And after that, if you feel like having a drink, I would say that you can go to a place called L'Hôtel Particulier. It's a secret place, so you just have to go Avenue Junot in the 18th arrondissement, ring to the bell and waiting for the big black door to be opened, and then you can enjoy a terrace in the middle of the buildings. So it's really a kind of green bubble, very nice to enjoy it.
Sounds very grand. And I hear you studied history at La Sorbonne in Paris. Where can visitors go to discover the city's past?
Definitely, Paris is a city of history. I would recommend to anyone who likes history to go to the Père Lachaise Cemetery, which is just more than a cemetery. It's a real garden, and there is big history and all the histories you're looking for according to the grabs you're discovering. For the fans of Jim Morrison, you will still find his grab, even if the body has been displaced.
Wow.
And you can just put some flowers and pray on this grab if you like this music. So definitely it's a great place to go.
Well, that's brilliant. Thank you so much, Delphine.
You're welcome.
And thank you for watching.